Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Tom Spark and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about Apple TV and VPNs. What is the best VPN? How can you use a VPN on an Apple TV? Now, the Apple TV unmistakably is one of the best streaming devices for TVs. It lets you bypass the smart TV's invasive privacy policies and instead use something a little bit better, or in Apple's case, a lot bit better. The Apple TV is very functional. It includes HomeKit compatibility, which means you can watch your video cameras on it. Not only that, but it has an app store, very powerful processor, and the remote is one of the best ones out there. Suffice to say, the Apple TV is an amazing device. However, one big downside is you can't install VPNs on it. For whatever reason, there isn't any VPN apps on the Apple Store for the Apple TV. I'm not sure if it's an issue with the VPNs not supporting it or if Apple doesn't put them on there for some reason or another. Fortunately, I do have a solution with a certain VPN, so stay tuned to figure out how to do that. Now guys, just to be clear, this video is talking about using smart DNS and might be similar to a lot of people in terms of how they view VPN. If you're looking to use a trick to unblock US-based streaming services, this smart DNS mentioned in this video and the technique following hereafter is going to be good enough for you. However, if you're strictly looking for VPN, the benefits of that privacy, the encryption on your Apple TV, whatever the reason you may want that, what you're going to have to do is buy a VPN router. And of course, I would recommend using something like Private Router. If you use my link in the description down below, you could test out some of their routers. Now, this is a company owned by TorQuad VPN, and what they do is pre-flash the routers with their own software, which makes it easy to get up and running with VPN on a router. So if you're looking to do that route, I would definitely recommend Private Router. Most of the stuff is pretty self-explanatory. Again, use my link. You should be able to get a pretty good promo code on that. Let's go ahead and add this one to the cart and check that out. So we're going to do a quick view. So we're going to click on it. There we go, in the cart. All right, so let's go to our cart here. View, let's check out. Okay, have a coupon. Let's enter in my promo code, Tom Spark, apply coupon. All right, there you go, applied to coupon. So I'm not sure if it's going to give you too much of a discount. It looked like it did give you $10 off. So really nice. Make sure to use that coupon code Tom Spark when checking out if you want to get that deal. So guys, today we're going to be using NordVPN since it is one of the VPNs that provides a smart DNS service. First of all, you're going to need NordVPN, and if you click on my description down below in my link and pin comment, you should be able to get the best outgoing deal going on right now. It can be confusing with Nord to find the best deal, so make sure to click on that link and you'll get the best deal. Just to be clear, this video is not sponsored by NordVPN. It's just simply one of the VPNs that does provide a pretty good smart DNS service, and it does work pretty good with streaming compatibility. So guys, how are you going to do it? Once you get it started up and bought NordVPN, smart DNS does come included, by the way. Basically, what you're going to do is go on to the website. You're going to go to the smart DNS section and enable it. Once this is enabled, it's going to give you a DNS you can use on your Apple TV. So let's go ahead and go there right now. Alright guys, so here is my Apple TV set up on my LG TV. Basically what you're going to do is go to the settings, go to network, go to DNS. You're going to click this. You're going to want to click on it again. That's my internet. And we're going to go to configure DNS and you're going to pick manual. Once you do this, you're going to enter in the DNS from the NordVPN website, and that should give you that smart DNS compatibility. So the one thing to keep in mind, guys, is that this only works with US streaming services, so it's primarily good to use if you're outside of the United States and you want to watch US restricted content. This is also good for people outside the US who want to watch stuff like HBO Go, Hulu, or any other apps like this. This little trick is going to let you do that very easily. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Let me know down in the comments down below if I helped you out, if you like videos like this, and I'll see you again in the next video very soon.